Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comments and subscribe. So today what I bought from Amazon, let me unboxing. So which I want to show you this, I ordered in Amazon this gimbal DJI. Okay, so let me open and show you. Okay, the cover is so good. See, what is this? This is gimbal. This is done. Because this gimbal, you know, when you are taking phone, if you are shaking also in in video, it won't shake. This it released on I think this month 21st. I think this is a new one, and the old one which we bought last year, this was 10,000, right? I think we ordered in Amazon. This 10,000, but main thing differences is this is not a selfie stick. This one they have selfie stick. Open the ones now.
Open. Pull up.
Upside like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will automatically on.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, how much more? Let me see. Okay, this is like that. Okay, give my phone. Main difference is this here. You have to put here phone, and this automatically it will stick here. But this one we have to put here inside. Inside here we have to put the phone. But this also very good. But mainly this selfie stick. That's why. This is a little bit black. So this is done. They give separate. And
There.
this side, huh?
Yeah.
It's like that. Oh, automatic. Okay. Then okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so you can see, no? This we have to press. 1, 2. Okay, 2 times. Then it will straight automatic, and after that, see this one. You can see this one. If you move this, cell phone will move. See, you can see. Oh, this even we have here also we have, but I think this is more comfortable to use because this also good, but this is more good. Okay, so you have to control from here for phone. See this side, this side. This is very easy to use. Okay, and if you want to take selfie video, see, just this push on, no, this up. Okay, press up and it's see. Okay, we can take selfie. Let me show you. Okay, if you want to keep on side. Oh, very hot. We are just doing video at night. Actually, if we receive the parcel, we without open. We can't able to sleep, so that's why we open. So this price is actually the price. Okay, this actually price is 18,000, and some offer is there, so we got from 14,000. And you can see, that's it. Gimbal. Oh, I really like. See, this one is more heavy. Okay, this is not that much heavy.
So you can use for a long time.
Yeah. See, warranty is there.
Yeah, 1 year.
1 year warranty. So this is good. Then this is we have to charge only, right? Where is charging?
It is inside that.
Okay. Okay, so selfies, if you want to down, you have to push like that. Okay. It's very. If you want to buy, you have to go fast and buy in Amazon right now. The offer is going on. That's why I'm doing video. Okay. This can remove. 12 hours if you charge. We can use 12 hours. So, but this is not waterproof, right?
Not
What is this? Okay,
That
oh,
is it.
this is
the pouch.
okay pouch. This is small pouch, and if we have, confused, we can read it here. The small book. And this is a Gimbal to charge. I think that's it. This is nothing empty. But I really like this. See. Just okay, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know how to explain, but because if I buy, I have to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in next video. Good night. Bye bye.